right, guys. Let's do this, man. Did anybody catch this PayPal here, guys? Anyone catch this today? How come I never trade stocks like Boeing? It's like asking a football player, why doesn't he play tennis? It's like, I just don't. But, hey, I was explaining this a little earlier this morning. Some people wouldn't short this because of the 200. But remember, violence like this makes the 200 irrelevant, at least as a point that is going to stop the move. It could cause a hesitation in the move, which I would actually use. So let's say the hesitation in the move is a slight bounce. That would actually be a gift into that violence. So I would love for the 200 to bounce it up a little bit, knowing that it can't ultimately stop it most of the time. There's the bounce. There's the bounce off the 200, which I would use to get short. And then, boom. This is crazy. Unreal. You guys understand that? All right. Awesome. ID topping tail after an extensive gap up. Okay, boom. This was a topping tail, you mean when it was down here, right? Is that, I know it's in retrospect. I don't see that as a topping tail though. But okay. So you shorted into bar 5, and where into bar 5 more or less did you short? Top, middle, bottom. Oh, 161.86, I see that, okay. Stop above the bar. Stopped out, re-entered 2 lots. 126.31. 162, I'm sorry, 31. Okay, so stop out on trade 1, boom. All right, let's erase that. Now, 2 lots, another lot triggered. So now there's 3 lots. Stop above tail. Now we've got 4 lots. Okay, this move up, we got another lot off. Okay. Cover everything between 160.52 and 604. Same bar. All right, so cover here. All right. Okay, and then let's keep with the second trade because we talked about this in the black room. All right, keep going. Price climbing back into the range of the initial collapse bar. Excellent, that's what we talked about. 160.69. One. Stop maximum, okay. Just saying, I'm not saying that's where it is, I'm just saying that represents max. 161.03. Two lots. Add 2, 161.48. Is that under the green? On this bar? on the way up, okay? Oh yeah, I've got the price wrong, sorry. 148. Just looking at, whoa, Baba New Lows. 3 lots, 2, sorry. Four lots, yes. Cover between 40, 160, 44, and 82. Here. All right. Flat and done for the day. All right, now, guys, some of you obviously can tell that David's using, a more advanced approach to his entries in particular. But let's go over a couple things. This is going to be a good source of some things.